Okay, I'm going to show you a really easy way to make a 2 or 3 person remote interview in high quality, like a video interview. So, how do you do that? Well, there's something called a double ender. You may have heard of that. If not, I'll explain quickly what that is. It just means you record on your computer locally, but each person in an interview would record on their own computer, but you would talk as if, you're normally talking on the phone or WhatsApp or Zoom or whatever. And you might see the lower quality while you're talking, but afterwards you mix it together and, you produce it like as if it was in the same studio. So that's the idea. So think about an example. I'm in Canada right now, someone's in Australia, and someone's in France. So we all want to talk together in high quality. Well, the talking will look like a normal call or a Zoom call. It'll be a bit, it'll look okay, but maybe great, but it'll be choppy sometimes probably and lag a little bit. But you need to record, each person has to record on their own computer at the same time and then later upload it and then mix it together. So that's what Podsplice can do now. And you can do this in different ways, but this is a browser based way to do it. So if you want to share with other people for interviews, you're not going to use like another software and a bunch of instructions because it automatically uploads after you're done recording the call. And I'll show you quickly how to do this. This is a new feature we're just adding. We'll just go in the dashboard here. We'll go to interview mode in Podsplice. And then we will choose the camera that I'm speaking on right now. So you have to remember, just go in settings, switch your camera or microphone, make sure you can hear the levels, see them here, and then you can invite a link. So you create an invite link and you send it to the person you want to talk to. And then, so you'll record in like this, but then afterwards you will mix it together in a perfect studio recording. But now this is in a beta mode, private beta. So just if you're using Podsplice, just let me know and I'll try to give you access soon. But this is the idea. I'll just show you how it'll look. So here's the beta version. Again, you have to change your settings. Whatever your defaults are on your computer, it might not be there. So here I am, and you can even do a full screen, and then this is what it will look like. So it'll be full screen. It'll record this exactly like I'm doing right now. You'll have your different guests on the left and right, full screen recorded. But later you can even mix it. You can add like your logo, lower thirds, or slides, or do a screen recording or something you missed and edit it, an intro, an outro, whatever. So that's the idea of Podsplice, is you record it in high quality, all the separate tracks, but then later you can edit it. But also, it's now we're making a different mode where you can talk with multiple participants in high quality, a double ender style as well. And we're starting with 3. And because each track has to be recorded from each guest. So that's a lot of files and a lot of uploading. So we're probably going to add this to the a minimum of the Teams package, but this is in beta right now. So if you contact me directly, I will, even on the creator package, I will allow you to use this and I will grandfather you in. So it's a good reason to sign up to Podsplice, but that's the idea. So you record in a decent quality while you're talking to someone, and then afterwards you will mix it in, like, or no, you'll record in great quality, but your talking will be a little bit laggy, possibly at times, maybe not. Even if it is a little bit, you can keep talking. That's the idea. And the screen share, you're recording that locally. Or if you're doing a reaction video for your podcast or interview, you can even show a YouTube clip or watch a video during the call. And this is a great way to, talk about different content during your podcast or interview, and then later, mix it to exactly how you want to do it. You probably see my other podcast recorders that often are a little bit lower quality. So if you want a little bit higher quality, that's how you have to do it. You have to do a double ender if you're doing a remote interview. And I just wanted to show you a quick and easy way to do that. And now we will go back and that's it.